To wait for Abe now. God damn it. The hell is... What's up, Henry?
Hello, and welcome to Henry's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making delicious oven-baked French toast.
Okay.
French toast was originated by the French in the early 6th century, and they called it pain perdu, which in English translates to lost bread.
Cool.
And then later in the 16th century, Henry V... Well, let's get started. First thing we want to do, since it's oven-baked French toast, we're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to break the eggs. I got a little bit of shell in there. I like to kind of hold it like this. Okay, so now we're going to add a couple of items to it. We have half a cup of milk. I don't have any real milk, but I have soy milk, which should work fine. I don't have vanilla extract, but I have maple syrup, which you can substitute. Just a little bit to taste.
What?
Not too much. Okay, and then a little bit of salt.
Those aren't the same. That dries
and finally,
out
the magic ingredient.
that dries the egg out.
Put a little
if
bit
you
of
add it now.
cinnamon in there, and that's what kind of gives it its sweet taste. And you could put other stuff in there as you get better at it. And now you just want to kind of beat it real hard as you can. A lot of times that's where people go wrong when they're making French toast, because they're not beating it hard enough.
Thanks, Henry.
Okay, now it's time to slice our bread. We want to slice it up into manageable slices. And a common practice in the Middle Ages
Henry, curl
was that if a woman wasn't married by the time she was 20 years old, that was seen as a crime against religion, and then I guess she would be beaten into submission, or sometimes even tortured.
Wait, what?
Or even executed. Okay, what we want to do is we want to make sure that all of our bread is completely submerged in our batter that we made. And you can see that it's absorbing it quite well here. Okay, now that we've completely immersed...
Hold the phone. What? We're going in the oven?
Our bread into the batter. We want to place them evenly out on a cookie sheet, and we want to give them a little bit of space in between. That's one of the things that a lot of people fuck up, is that they don't leave enough space so the bread doesn't have enough time to breathe while it's cooking.
Looking for 13 months.
Okay, we're ready to put it in the oven. Okay, now we're ready to put it in the oven.
WTF are we watching?
Is that detergent on your fridge? Awesome. He's gonna fucking kill them. He probably put on convention.
Now for the hard part, waiting. We're gonna wait about 20 minutes now, and when we're done,
good at waiting.
Our reward will be the most delicious French toast that you can imagine.
Oh, Corinna! Thank you for the 5 tier 1.
So we're just gonna wait about 20 minutes right now.
The 5 people pogs, I appreciate that.
Well, more like 19, I guess.
Oh, Henry. Oh, Henry. Is your garage full?
Lemon.
Okay, I think it's time to take it out of the oven. Let's see what we got here. They should be,
Is that garlic bread?
A little crispier than that on the outside. I'm not sure if, well, these aren't even warm. What the hell? Oh, are you Well, I seem to be having a little bit of a problem with my oven, so I'm going to use the toaster oven instead, and it should come out about the same. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take our pieces of French toast, and I'm going to put them on the toaster oven.
Disgusting!
And,
Yo, put the tinfoil
and the toaster oven tray is a
on!
little bit smaller
They're
than
gonna
the regular oven,
stick!
so we're going to have to squeeze them a little bit just to make sure that we can fit them on there. And we're going to go ahead and preheat
Good cut.
this thing to 400 degrees. Okay, now that we've put the French toast in the toaster oven.
What? When was this made? Oh my god. I was hoping it was like I was hoping this was uploaded like a month ago.
We're gonna wait
That'd be
another
even better.
20 minutes, and it should be ready, and it'll be delicious, and crispy, and cinnamony.
Storage units are like $75 a month. Garage sales are free. Just takes time. Maybe put a weekend into it.
Sup fucker, hope you have a good rest of your week, bitch.
Good will take that from you.
Okay, I think it's been about 20 minutes. Let's see what we got. What the fuck? Well, it definitely smells pretty crisp. Let's see,
Oh, Henry, no.
Shit. What the fuck? Sometimes the bread's pretty good just by itself.
True.
Thanks a lot for joining me, and tune in next week when we're going to talk about how to make garlic bread.
Oh, Henry. You poor soul. Holy shit. It'll buff out. All right, Henry, what else you got in the kitchen? A month ago? Movie magic.
Hey there, it's the Highwayman here. And one question I always get asked is, how do you make flying with the jetpack look so realistic? And no, we're not using a real jetpack, stupid. The answer is movie magic. Film pioneers are always trying to discover new ways to push technology as far as it can go.
Holy
One example is
shit.
green screen technology. If you film a subject in front of a green background,
In
you
a
can
socks.
later remove the green
5 months
and then
will
place
I
the
love it
isolated
here.
subject
Honestly,
on top
favorite
of a
stream
pre-shot
of our
background
cozy.
known as the plate.
God.
With this technique, your
Yo!
dreams are limited only by the boundaries of your imagination. But be careful, green screen acting can be dangerous. So better to leave that part to us professionals. For more movie magic, join patreon.com/highwaymanshow. Now I'm out of here.
Holy shit.
Do you like what you see?
Yo.
Hello, and welcome to Henry's Kitchen.
Yo, Bacon, thank you for the
Today,
prime.
we're gonna be
Emily, thank you for tier
making
1.
Henry's
Sebsy,
anytime
thank you for tier
chili
1.
for one.
King Crash, thank you for tier 1 sub. Welcome for 8 months.
We're going to preheat the oven to 200
Astro DC, I think the
degrees.
10 months.
And you really want to make sure you... Yeah, let's start by cutting our tomato.
I wasn't done.
We
Oh
want to cut
my
it into
god.
8
That knife is
separate
duller than your
wedges.
humor, Henry. Holy shit.
As you see, I probably should have used a slightly sharper knife, because this... Mince the bell pepper. Now we're going to mince the onion.
Oh, you might as well just take the butter knife
When I was
out.
growing up in New Jersey, my brother and I used to fight all the time, and one time he threw a rock at
You
me
leave the
and
wrap
he hit
on?
me in the head, I guess, and my head started to bleed. Now we're going to take all this shit and put it in a bowl for later. The recipe that I'm using makes it for 6 to 8 people, but I'm only making chili for 1. So I'm going to be dividing every one of the ingredients by 7. So instead of 1 can of kidney beans, I'm only going to use about 1/7 of a can. 3/7 of a can of tomato sauce. I don't have tomato sauce, but I have tomato paste,
Same thing.
which is the same thing.
Yeah.
30 milliliters
That's a lot of
of Worcester sauce.
fucking paste.
By the way, my recipe is in metrics, so I'm converting as I go. 15 milliliters is 1 tablespoon.
Yeah.
So 2 tablespoons divided by 7, that would be 2/7 of a tablespoon of Worcester sauce. I don't have any Worcester sauce, but I have soy sauce.
Same thing.
10 grams of chili powder.
Death
That's
Feast.
1
Or Death Fast,
and a
if it's your one.
third tablespoons divided by 7 is like, shit.
That's cinnamon? What's up, Henry? Bye, Henry.
It's like 2/7 of a tablespoon or something. I don't know. Teaspoon of salt.
I don't know.
Teaspoon of pepper. Some canned veggies.
What?
Now just stir it all up. It's very important when you're making dinner just for one to divide every ingredient. One time I forgot to divide the salt, and I put 10 times as much salt as you were supposed to have. And I was like, oh man,
A little bit of sodium.
fucked it all up.
That's a good
Now
story.
we'll put it in our oven.
Let the text do the work.
Okay.
What? Where the fuck are you?
Help me make it through the night.
Damn.
'Cause I am tired and alone.
Poor Henry.
Help me make it through the night. 'Cause I don't like myself.
Apron in the bed. Oh,
Okay, well,
Your
it's been 6
sheets,
hours. Let's see what we
Henry.
got. I'm definitely working up quite an appetite.
yummy.
Let's see.
Henry
it
made
should
a song.
definitely be done at this point.
No way.
Peanuts. Well, thanks for joining us here on Henry's Kitchen. And please tune in next week. We're going to make gluten-free lasagna.
Ooh. Dude, at least it didn't stick to the pan this time. That's nice. Easy clean.
Help me make it through the night. 'Cause I am tired.
Is that Fresca? Oh, LaCroix? Wait, what was Henry's song?
Make it through. Holy guacamole, holy guacamole. I just got hit by a car. And you're
When
the
you join the call with Jody, please greet her as Ross.
Got it.
one who swept me
Wait, how did she get in?
off my feet, pushed me in the street, left me in a coma.
Hi.
Guacamole me, guacamole you. I
Classic
just
Henry.
got busted for drugs. And you're the one who sold me to the Fed, leaving me for dead, played me for a fool. Making guacamole, mix it in the bowlie. I just got mauled by a bear. And you're the one who covered me with honey.
2 years of running it down in life. Let's go for many more for good.
funny.
Go, MJ!
How could
2
you be
years!
So cruel. Take it.
I feel so uncomfortable. I don't want to watch anymore. One more, though. Never mind. I can't. Okay, one more. Nice shirt, Henry.
Hi,
What's up?
and welcome to Henry's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making Henry's
holy guacamole with homemade corn tortilla chips. It's gonna be a fiesta.
Breathe, Henry.
Guacamole gets its name from the Aztec word guacamole, which loosely translates to... We're gonna take 2 tortillas.
Wait, what?
And cover them with cooking spray.
Yo,
And we're gonna stack 'em.
Mrs. Johnnyson.
And we're
Thank
just
you
gonna
for the
cut
tier
them
1.
up.
Big fans of your husband. Hope you're your first month here. Welcome to fart season. What is going on? Oh, he's making El
And we're gonna lay them out
Chipo.
on a cooking sheet. I'm gonna use a little bit more cooking spray.
How? Carry on.
And you want to lay them out evenly.
Oh, that's how. Yo, how's? Thank you for the prime.
Put them in the oven. We're gonna cook our chips for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, let's get to work on our guacamole.
Hell yeah. Why the fuck are you twisting? You got the avocado shells in it. Oh, dude, Henry! Henry, come on! A fucking guac's got shell in it, man!
We're just gonna mash it up a little
Goddamn
bit.
avocado shell!
You never want to be afraid to experiment when you're in the kitchen. A lot of the most important discoveries in history have been made by accident. For example, there was a Swedish pharmaceutical company in the early 70s that was testing a new drug for testicular cancer.
Funny story.
And what they noticed is while the nurses were examining the men's testicles, the men started getting erections. And apparently that's how they discovered Viagra. Let's get to work on our guacamole.
Not at all.
Now it's time to throw in some of our ingredients.
that's
We've
not
got
how
our
it happens.
tomato,
Samples!
jalapeno
David tier
pepper,
1. Welcome for 2 months.
onions,
Scream
white-
Havoc. David
or,
31 months.
green onions.
Noted, not noted. That's
Put
not
some
how it
salt,
happened.
Put some pepper,
It's not how it happened.
and I like to put some cumin.
Oh, cumin. Oh.
Now we'll just mash it all up.
It's the second language, chat. Leave them be. No, fuck off, Borpa. Cumin.
Just keep mashing it.
It's okay, buddy. Fuck that avocado up.
So the recipe I'm using is telling us we need to chill for about 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna take the next 15 minutes or so and just kind of chill.
Yeah.
Holy guacamole, holy guacamole, I just...
How? How? Henry! There's no way!
Holy guacamole,
No way!
I just got hit by a car.
Oh, I see the shell!
Well, Feliz Navidad, everyone.
Let's get the peanuts, Henry. Let's get the fucking peanuts.
Guacamole me, guacamole you.
It's the first time I've seen that
I
green
just
cinder block.
got busted for drugs.
Good cutoff. We're done. Oh my god, lemonade. I'm kind of
Hey streamer man,
kind of thirsty. One sec, lemonade.
do I get anything cool for 20
No.
months?
Coraloon, it's a scam. Thank you for tier 1 though.
Sounds good, I'll take the stream gear Kate champ
I
plus
didn't
one.
say that.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to Henry's Kitchen, where today we're going to
Lemon.
be making Henry's special lemonade. There's an old saying that
milk, lemonade, and round the corner fudge is made.
How to switch up.
And
switch
you
up
can
speed.
make lemonade from 3 simple ingredients that you can find right around the house. You better not be drinking that stuff out of the can, you idiot.
Good one.
Gonna start by making our sugar water solution, which is basically just 1 cup of water. And we're gonna mix in 1 cup of sugar. And we're gonna heat it up until it dissolves. In the meantime, let's start cutting up our lemons. I'm gonna cut them right in half, like so. You know, when my dad was growing up in the South, you weren't allowed to say the word fart in front of a lady. You had to say air shit. Okay.
Dude, these facts are sick.
Okay, so now we're just gonna take
Is he
our
the
lemon halves and
CEO
we're
of
gonna
Snapple?
squeeze
Damn,
some
I love
juice
these.
into a
Holy
pitcher.
shit, Henry. Oh, didn't have a lemon squeezer.
Gonna need about 4 cups of lemon juice.
Fuck, this is gonna take a bit. It's okay, Henry, you can use both hands. Okay. Ooh, the seeds. Yeah, you don't want to swallow those. A little slippery.
You want to make sure you don't have any seeds in there.
She is the whore of Sausalito.
Oh god, here we go.
She knows just how to ease your mind.
Hell yeah!
But if you ask her if she loves you, she'll just smile and bat her eyes. For the whore of Sausalito never lies.
Beautiful.
Okay, I think that should be enough.
About a cup.
Okay, now we're just gonna pour in our sugar water. Add 2 cups of water and stir it up. And that's how you make Henry's special lemonade.
Thanks,
A
Henry.
tasty treat that you can have on a summer day.
Cheers. Cheers.
She says she hails from Pasadena, and all the sailors know.
Sorry, what happened in the rest of the video? I am still in disbelief over air shit.
Never mind. No! I just spilled coffee all. No! I can't believe I just did that. No!